Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females magic just touching me, touching me.
Okay, so basically I'm gonna clean my room first, and then I'm gonna sort my clothes from dirty to clean, and then if whatever is dirty, then I'm gonna wash them and stuff. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so all my clothes on the floor, and I'm gonna just sort them out, and then right here is all the clean clothes, dirty clothes, and then right here is all the clean clothes. And then I'm gonna put all my dirty clothes over there, and I'm gonna wash them, and then yeah, and then we're gonna like organize everything a little bit, like my shoes and stuff, clean my area right here.
While you're out bumping and grinding, I'm leaving you alive. See my days are cold without you. Love it when you look at me, baby. Love it when you kiss me, baby. Love it when you fuck me, baby. When I'm with you, baby.
Got fetish for fucking you with the shirt on. Going back straight in the back, so dirty you gone. What's taking so long? I'm getting extra patiently waiting for you to tell a nigga to move on. Between me and you, we can find each other flying abroad in my private G2. I ain't trying to G you, I'm trying to see you. Man, don't, you know how we do it, feed the shows. Bring heat to cold, it's like it's so ferocious. Now you street promoting the big games, folding. We in the bed, nigga go hard like Jordan. Sweat falling, loving the way you be moaning. You in the shit, looking at me, looking at me.
Okay, so I just got done separating both clothes. So this is all my clean clothes, and then this is all my dirty clothes. So now I'm gonna go put them in the washer and dryer, and then yeah. So let's go do that. So I just put half of the clothes in the washer now, and now that's gonna take like 30 minutes to wash. So now I'm just gonna like chill for a little bit and just sort everything else, and like put my clean clothes up, and then like organize everything while that's going. And then once that's done, I'm gonna put the other clothes in, and then yeah. Say hi. Say hi. What is? Say hi. Hey. Okay, so I'm about to play some TV for him to watch, so he can just chill by himself in here, and then I'm gonna go continue cleaning. Okay, so now that I put TV on for him, now I'm gonna put all my clean clothes up and then make my bed. Woman, woman, woman. Be a woman, 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 woman. I can be a woman, 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 woman. Okay, so I just organized everything, like my sweatpants, like leggings and stuff, and then my shorts, and then just like regular shirts and clothes. So now I'm just gonna put them up, and the clothes should be done by now, so I'm gonna go check. So let me go check right now. And Let's see how much minutes we have left. Okay, so we have 9 more minutes until the clothes are done. So that should give me time to put all the clothes up and then like clear my bed off and then make my bed. So yeah.
I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I?
Okay, so now I'm about to make my bed. So I'm about to take everything off and then put the covers on them and everything. So yeah.
Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not. Got to be more than here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Okay, so I just finished making bed. This is what it looks like. All my plushies. So I just got done and I just heard the washer go off. So let me go ahead and take those clothes out.
Why my bad bitch
I'm
is
pretty
that?
than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name.
Okay, so the clothes are in the dryer right now. And I just started the clothes for the washer, and that started right now. Now I'm gonna chill and take a break for a second, and I think that's really it. I made my bed, and I just gotta just clean up and organize a little bit more, and then yeah, I'm done with clean my room, and then yeah. Okay, guys, so both the dryer and the washer just like ended. So now I'm gonna put my drying clothes in my bed, and then put the wash clothes in the dryer.
With me is this bitch, okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch,
Okay, so they're still wet, so I'm gonna put them in the dryer for some more time, cause like they still feel wet. So I'm gonna wait more time, and then I'll come take them out. Okay, guys, so my clothes just got finished, but before I just show y'all that, I just found out about a new website that like is really helpful for content creators, and it's called Notion. And basically, it's like you can use it for like planners and stuff. And I just want to show y'all mine's. So this is what mine's look like. Can't really see it, but it has like, I use like a template from somebody, and like I just use it, gives me time and stuff. And then like I like week ahead, like see how on Sunday I said Sunday reset video, and then important tasks, make a video by Wednesday, clean my room, wash clothes, and I have my goals, and then my notes and stuff, and then my calendar, which has this right here, and it's in progress. And it's like a whole lot of stuff that you can do. And I have my video ideas. And there's like a whole lot of stuff that you could do on this, and it's like really helpful if you just want to plan and make a schedule beforehand. So y'all should go check it out. Okay, so I'm about to switch the dryer clothes out, and then put the wash clothes in here, and then yeah, then we're done with the clothes, and I gotta put my clothes up, and then we're gonna do content planning, and then we're going to do some more stuff with my friend, and then yeah, so let's just speed up the process. Make sure you add these in the dryer. You don't want anything happening to your clothes. Protects the clothes. I add 4. Because when we wash, on our wash days, it's usually a big load anyways. Oh, it's dirty. Okay, clean that. Put it back in. And wash. Okay, so now I'm about to separate the clothes. I'm probably just gonna put them anywhere because I don't have no more storage to put all my clothes in. But yeah. So now I'm sorting all my clothes. This is gonna take a while. sweatpants and stuff. Okay, so I sorted all of that. Now I'm just gonna put these wherever and then wait for the other clothes to dry and finish up. And while that's drying and stuff, I'm gonna do some content planning and then yeah. Okay guys, so the clothes just got done, just finished. So now I'm gonna put them and sort them out and stuff. And then we have one more thing to do and then the video end.
Whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible.
Okay, so now we're done with everything with the room. And now I'm gonna sort these clothes out. And also, I just want to say, like, thank you guys so much for, like, almost making me get 200 subscribers. Like, that is so amazing. Like, I can't believe that, like, in under 2 months that, like, I actually almost hit 200 subscribers. And if you're watching this right now, please make sure you subscribe and give me the 200 subscribers. That would make my day so much. And just, I love y'all so much and just thank y'all. But now I'm about to sort these clothes and then yeah. Okay, so I just put all my clothes up, so my room is finally done. Okay guys, so the day is almost over and everything's clean, everything's done. So I'm just gonna end this video right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you like this video. Love y'all so much, guys. Peace.